Hey everyone, welcome back to Colourful Indian. I hope that you've been having a really good week. Today I want to show you a collaboration that I'm doing with a company called OGEE, and I just think that their products are so pretty. So I really am excited to get into this with you. And before we get to the video, if you're new here, I want to say welcome. My name is Ranita and I love doing makeup tutorials, reviews, and swatches. And yeah, if you like what you see today on my channel, then please subscribe. And if you've been visiting my channel for some time, I just want to say thank you so much for coming back. It's really good to see you here. I'm really excited to jump into this collaboration. So let's get to the unboxing. I will see you there. Alright, so let's begin with the unboxing. So this is what OGEE has sent me. This over here is the bill, so I'm going to remove that. And this is a card from them that says Beyond Clean Beauty. And this is a sculpted lip oil which is tinted, and it's in the shade Begonia. So I'm really excited to get into this, and the packaging itself is so pretty. So it reads over here, a silky blend of jojoba oil and butters that melt instantly into your lips to moisturize and nourish, lightly infused with refreshing peppermint essential oil to soothe. Okay, that's so cool. I'm looking forward to using that. Let's just open it and see what it looks like inside. Right, so this is what it looks like inside. I think the packaging is pretty cool. Let me just open it. Oh, okay, so it's kind of like this big crayon that you can see, but I'm definitely looking forward to trying this out. Okay, so this is the main thing that we're going to be looking at today, the Crystal Contour Collection, which I'm so excited to feature, on my channel. Obviously, I'm just thrilled that they would send something like this to me, and it's been wrapped up, so let us open that and get into that. Excited to open it up. They're already telling you on the box that there's opal, rose quartz, and copper inside. So I'm opening it up. I'm really excited to use this because this is so different, and I just love this, and the way that they've taken this shot as well. Okay, so let's look at what's inside. Basically, you've got a highlighter that's opal, a rose blush, obviously for the blush, and then cocoa. So this is yeah, obviously your bronzer. Okay, so I'm really excited about this because this is more into like natural makeup looks, which I don't always do. So I'm always happy and excited when, I get to try something new. Over here, this is basically non-toxic, cruelty-free, and it's certified organic. So that's also like on the plus side for OGEE Beauty over here. And I just love this shot. It's gorgeous. Okay, so these are the products inside. So this is obviously opal over here. And I'm just going to show you what it looks like. It's quite heavy, so it's kind of like a nice heavy in your hand, like it makes you feel satisfied that it's like that. And oh, it's magnetic. It's magnetic. Oh, I love that. Okay, so that's so freaking cool. Okay, next, what do we have? We have got the blusher. So you can see what it looks like. Also really pretty. I think that shade would work really well with me. And the last thing, of course, is the bronzer, which I'm taking out right now to show you. Okay, so this is the bronzer right over here. I think it looks really pretty, honestly. Yeah, I'm so grateful that OGEE chose to send me one of these packages. So now that we've seen this, let's apply it on my face. So I actually went ahead and I put some of that contour right over here, and you just have to take it like this and like either drag it down or drag it up. But as you can see, the color itself is not like super intense. It's very light, I would say. So I'm gonna now go in with the blush, and yeah, it just feels really satisfying to have this in my hand. I have put on the highlighter on my face, by the way, but I'm just going to show you what it looks like on this side, because like if you see my forehead, it's shining, my nose is as well, and this side is shining as well. That is basically with the highlighter, and I'm amazed with this. But let's do it again just so that you guys get to see. So I'm taking that blush and I'm just putting it on top of my contouring. As you can see, again, even though the color is like this pink, it's not like it's not super pink to the point where you're like, I need to take it off. So this actually looks really nice. And I'm going to go in now with my beauty blender and just blend that out for you so you can see what it looks like. Right, so you can see over here that it's just, I don't know, I'm really happy with this. I can totally see myself using this on a regular basis. It's just so lightweight. This is what the contour and the blush looks like, and now the only thing that's left to add on is really the highlighter, which I'm excited to put on. So I'm going to do that right now with you guys. So this is the product. It opens like this. You can twist them, and all of them have the same design. So I'm going to take that and I'm going to put it on my cheek, like right over here on the top. I'm just going to put a bit, but you can see what this is looking like. I really love it. And if you want, you can put a bit of that highlighter on the sides of your nose too, just to kind of contour it. I did put like the contour shade in the center of my nose. So now we're going to take the blending sponge and blend. So I'm blending, and I did put some on top here. And yeah, I'm just blending this part too, just to kind of make it all go together. And if you want, you could even take that highlighter up into your, you know, into this area here as well. And yeah, that's basically it. I kind of really love the way my face is looking. I feel like it just made my face go bam, like glowy and so pretty. And yeah, I'm just really happy with that. And of course, now I want to try on the lip oil. So I'm going to remove my lipstick and then do the lip oil. The last step in this process is using their sculpted lip oil, which is over here, and it's in a very nice color. And I put a little bit on my bottom lip already, but I'm going to show you how it looks like on the top lip. Hey, okay, so this is basically what my face looks like after applying all of the OGEE, you know, products onto my face. I'm very impressed. Right now my skin feels super hydrated, so I'm very happy with that. That's the first thing that I've noticed. The other thing is that subtle glow. It's not overwhelming, it's not too much, but it's definitely there. If you want to use this and you feel like, oh, I need a darker pink, then, you know, you can totally add more. I mean, there's no rule against how much you can add. As long as it, you know, as long as you're happy with it. So I'm just adding a tad bit more just to show you that, you know, that pink glow on my face. But I just like the fact that it goes into the skin and it feels really nice. Like, it feels like my skin is being moisturized and stuff, like, you know, even though I'm putting on makeup. So I'm actually really impressed with this. And I just love the way that my face is looking. Yeah, I think this is probably making it a bit more evident so that you guys can see. Okay, so yeah, I really love the way that this is looking. I'm totally impressed with the OGEE Crystal Contouring Collection. So impressed, and I think that the product quality is amazing. This just looks so natural and so pretty, and I really like this. I really do. So I'm so excited that they actually, you know, sent this to me, and I'm just so grateful to them as well. And yeah, I guess that brings, you know, the first time experience of the OGEE Crystal Contour Collection to an end. But thank you so much for doing this with me. I'm sure that, you know, for those of you who haven't actually tried OGEE before, this is going to be you know, helpful information. And I'm just really happy that the products are sticks as well. I like stick products quite a bit because I find that it's more convenient, it's less messy. You just have to take the stick, put it on your face, and then blend it out. So I'm actually kind of shifting towards that at this time. But that doesn't mean that I don't like the other stuff. But I just like this when, you know, you're in a hurry, or even just on a daily basis. You just want to add a bit of glow to your face. I feel like OGEE is exactly what I would pick up. So, and I love the packaging as well. I feel it's so chic, and it's just so classy. So yeah, I'm excited. I'm looking forward to seeing what else OGEE has, you know, to like actually put up. Truly I am, even though this was, you know, like a PR package for me, I'm still really excited to see what they're going to be doing, because I'm very impressed. So that's all I have to share about this collection. Thank you, you know, for actually being here and going through this with me. I hope it's given you some information. If you liked the video, remember to subscribe and drop me a comment. Tell me, are you going to be picking up, you know, an OGEE Crystal Contour Collection? I mean, I think that this is pretty fantastic. So yeah, you know, let me know if you're planning on getting something from OGEE. And thank you for taking the time to check out one more of these videos. I will see you very soon. Lots of love. Bye.